Hospital-acquired infections are a huge problem, and the best way to prevent them is proper sanitation and wearing gloves. However, gloves can be difficult to don, especially after washing hands or sanitizing them. This is a problem that clinicians face at least 30 times per shift. This issue can cause inconvenience as well as be life-threatening during an emergency situation where speed is of the essence, but foregoing the use of gloves could also lead to life-threatening infections.
To better understand the problem, a survey was sent out to 120 nurses. 15% of the nurses admitted to not wearing gloves in high-pressure situations, while 57% admitted to improperly wearing gloves just to ease donning. Through a series of killer experiments in which we present several solutions to a hospital representative and several nurses, it was determined that a method to inflate gloves with air was the best solution.
Our first prototype iteration utilized a can of compressed air and a kitchen funnel to inflate the glove. The design was refined into our second iteration using a 3D printed funnel and a large syringe.
The device is controlled through a foot pedal, which activates a linear actuator connected to a syringe with a funnel-shaped outlet. The glove is slipped over the funnel, and as the syringe is compressed, the glove inflates. The funnel is designed to work with all glove sizes, providing a hands-free and sanitary method to ease glove donning.
In order to determine if our device met all of its engineering goals, we performed a series of verification tests. We tested to ensure it was quiet enough to ensure it was easy to clean, to make sure it was small enough, to make sure the air output actually filled the gloves, to make sure the surface roughness wouldn't harm the gloves or the user, and to make sure it was electrically safe. All of these engineering goals were met.
To ensure that our device truly meets the needs of the user, we are currently running validation testing, which includes ease of glove donning, a time reduction test, a rip reduction test, an environmental factors evaluation, as well as a device safety and confidence evaluation. Here is an example of our current test results showing that over 19 trials, the ease of donning gloves while using our device scored higher than without our device.
With this device, we will create a solution that makes daily life easier for millions of clinicians. By making gloves easier to don, we will decrease frustration and wasted time in the clinic, and hopefully encourage compliance to glove-wearing policies. This will decrease the rates of hospital-acquired infections and save lives.